Hi, a regular Joe here. Today I'm going to try a unique shot. I'm going to try the shooting an aspirin off of a mousetrap. I'm going to use the amazing Catch Master mousetrap. Cost $2 for 4 of them. But instead of using a 22 or 17 HMR or any other caliber, I'm going to try a BB. And not only am I going to try it with a BB, but my weapon of choice is the Daisy model 1998. In my last video I said model 1988. Well, I was just wrong. It's a model 1998. It's kind of like a Red Ryder BB gun, except it doesn't have this thing which tells time or a compass in the stock, and it's pink. Other than that, it's pretty much a Red Ryder. So I'm going to try to shoot the aspirin off the mousetrap, but instead of aspirin, I'm going to use ibuprofen. Ibuprofen, you ask? Well, I don't have any aspirin, and it's all I have, so that's what it's going to do. I'm going to be sitting back probably 12 feet from the mousetrap, and you'll just have to take my word for it because I only have one camera. Enjoy. Okay, so the mousetrap is set and ready to go. Okay. Miss. Oh yeah.